The broadcast is now starting. All attendees
Morning,
are in
guys.
listen-only
Janet,
mode.
Salbert, Anthony, fellas, good morning. Very good morning to you. Just looking at gold. Woof. Guys. All right, fellas. Good news. I got my charts back yesterday. Morning, Nolan, Sophie, Veronica. Guys, good morning. John, good morning. Fellas, good morning. Today is Thursday, July 27th. Couple of reminders. One, I have sent the August trade room link. Sent it several days ago. If you don't have it, please email me. I will send it to you. Two, I will not be in the room tomorrow. There is no trade session, or at least trade room tomorrow. I'll be out of town for my brother's 60th birthday. So there's no room tomorrow. Yesterday was FOMC. They raised a quarter BIP as expected. Once again, the market is assuming that Powell is not telling the truth and that he will begin to stop raising, if not cut. We're up significantly from yesterday. NASDAQ currently up 208 with 5,000 net buyers overnight. ES is up 31 handles. YM is up 87, the laggard currently. EMD and Russell up. And gold currently trading at 2017. Not sure why this shows 1978. I'm showing 2017. Gold is up $47. The only thing that is really red is eBay's off a couple of bucks. Apple's up $1.36. Adobe up $4.70. Applied Materials up $4. Amazon's up $2.85. I'm sorry. Boeing's up $2.70. Nvidia up another $10. Here comes that $500. Yeah, TradeStation may have rolled. I'm wondering if TradeStation rolled. Yeah. Yeah, I think TradeStation rolled. Tesla's up 378. Meta beat yesterday. I put it in member Skype. They beat big. Up $29 in pre-market. Just incredible. In any event, we have 8:30 news. We have GDP. We have some other news at 8:30, continuing in initial jobless claims. We also have a rate decision out of ECB and a corresponding press conference out of ECB. But the markets are pushing higher. You guys know I'm all for trend, but I am not buying anything up here. Not going to happen. We get a pullback, or I sit here and watch the NASDAQ all day. In any event, let me read the disclaimer. By the way, if you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome back. It's not there. Yesterday morning was a good trade. See if we can keep it going. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. NASDAQ starting to come down. Small sellers in here, holding a small buy zone. This was resistance, now some support, but next 2-minute bar, I think, takes us down. Still jocking around. I think you can short NASDAQ here with a stop above that swing high, 44. We're going to get a pullback ahead of the open. Our markets are not buying up here. $25 short. Target number 1 may be 18. We could get a nice pullback if we can get below 96. See what we get here, guys. Buyers back in. Don't forget, we also have ECB press conference coming. YM with a blistering up move. Blistering. The data wasn't good. NASDAQ pushing pivots here. ES went through that minor resistance. We're going to trade 40 on the ES. I'm not buying anything unless there's a pullback here, guys. In my opinion, this is all risk. Gold, dollar is starting to bounce back. Gold could get a pullback. Gold is getting a pullback. I am on December gold. December. All right, here we go, guys. Breakout on the open. Still into this resistance, can't get through it. We're long. We're going to be longs here. Come on, give me a little pullback. We may not even get a pullback. Longs. Rat bag. We're pushing the pivots on the NASDAQ. Really got to get above 51 to completely bust out. Small sellers in here. Support is 27. Below that, 17. Small support there. Below that, maybe 15. They're getting ready to load. Buyers and sellers are fighting it out right here. Buyers are trying. Buyers are winning. Gonna have to get above value area high here. Here we go. There are no sellers. $8.80 is target. $8.80 target 1. Some small sellers coming in. They just get bought up. I mean, anybody trying to sell this is going to get wrecked right now. Wrecked. There's 70. $72, $74. Here's your target 1. $80. One more candle through this, 76, and you're going to get your 80. Lagarde's done speaking. 5,400 buyers. Come on, go get me 80. Q's not pulling back a shard. Here she blows. Come on, let's go. 80. That pink line. 77. 78. 79. Missed by 2 ticks. Here it comes. Target hit. Free trade, fellas. Free trade. Free trade. Next target, 997. 897. I'm sorry. 897. Thank you, Dean. 897. Ba-ba-da-da. Yeah, 997 would have been a hell of a target. 897. I can go for 950 today. I think we can get pretty close to that 16,000. We're going over 900. Problem is we can't get above that value area high. We just keep pushing it. We've really got to jump above. Come on, 10 handles to the next target, fellas. That's next target. 897. Look at Q's. They're not even backing off. Pennies. All right. That's going to be your support, 75. Here comes 897. Come on, dog. Come on. Bust it out right here. Got 9.3. Q's aren't even flinching yet. 9.4. Next 5-minute bar in 20 seconds. Nine five. Come on. 9.7. Boom, chakalaka. Who was that masked man? Or as I used to say in the old days, bazinga! You guys good? Who held to 97? That's a whale, fellas. Nice, Marcia. Of course you did. All right, guys. Next target up. You're welcome, Brad. Looks like we're going to trade to 16,000 today. Next target up, 9, 10, 11. Has some daily resistance. 5,800 buyers. I don't even have a place to get in if you guys are out. You made 1670. Nice job, Prabhathi. Nice. Let's see if we can get a small pullback. Support on any pullback now will probably be 85 if it pulls back. And then we're going to try to trade to 915. So that should be our support right there, 85. $87.50. It's not holding support. There it goes. Come on, pull up. Pull up. 75 would be the next level down. Right there. We have pending home sales, but that shouldn't. Need to get through 93 again. I don't like that we came back through support and didn't hold it. There's your go-go. Okay. You're free to go now, big guy. Need to clear 2 areas. Here and here. Okay, Marco. See you Monday. Remember, I'm not in tomorrow. Come on, champ. It's through the first. Got to get this 93 quarter, half. Come on, you got it. Right back to entry. You had them. Buyers had them. We're going to putz around until 10 o'clock. Building a bull flag on a 5 minute. want this to break 75 or else we're coming to 64. Damn it. All right. Out with a loss. You're welcome, Ed. Had money in it a couple times. 64 is where this has come. Just hit it. 61. This should hold in this area. It flips below 43. Yeah, this is not shorts, fellas. I am not taking shorts. $10 candle coming. Minute top of the hour. New home sales won't have any effect. They should be lower. Still like longs, guys. There's no reason to be short. A10's higher. Crude is long here to 52. 40, 52, 53, target 1. Then above that, 79. Excuse me. Guys, there's 11 sellers in this block. Now 28. Crude target 1 hit and filled. Next target up on crude, and she's motoring 77. 77. Okay, Veronica. Doop-de-doo. Just letting air out of the balloon here, fellas. Trendbot took a short. Can't say I dig it, but $46 bounce. Hit it to the tick. 46. Didn't bounce far. There it goes. 10 handles now. Filled it again. Down to 2,800 buyers. Wouldn't that be cool? They sell all these back. All right, TrendBot's now got 4 on. Oh, that was in and out quickly on this one. Up 425. Hit my $400 high water mark. Pulled back a bit. Closed the trade. This one's up 715 out of that trade. We're into support here. Down to 2,300. It looks like they're going to sell them all back, fellas. If we break below 818, this is going to get brutal. Bigger time frames are all long. 10 minutes still long. Hourlies are still long, sitting on pivots. Down to 21. All right, James. You too, man. I'll see you Monday. I took a long off this zone here with 10. I'll kill it quick, though. If this doesn't pop back up. Come on, you stink face. Get above 50. I closed the trade. It won't close. Won't close. Apex won't close the trade. Now it does. I mean, there was like, what, a 12, 15 second lag on that? I think we hold this area. Got to get back above that weekly. We should trade back up. If we get above that 50, this should trade back to 62. Should trade to 62. Still like longs, guys, on the bigger time frames. The small time frame came down. TrendBot short again. Both of them. Different settings. But I'm not digging the shorts. Until I get it on a 10-minute, I have no reason to be short. 2 minute, 3 minute, doesn't matter. Above 50, it's going up. Buyers are coming back in. Okay. Now they're selling them fairly aggressive. 1,800. And right back up to the point of control and a bounce off the point of control. This is no longer valid for me. Well, hasn't closed below. Down to 2,000 buyers. 10 minutes still hasn't shorted. 15-minute will short below maybe 21. 10 minutes about the same area. You guys can buy SPX 4590 puts. I bought SPX 4590 puts. Today's expiration. I paid $3.90. They're $4. This bot's just jerking around, guys. I'm moving that for now. Let me look at SPX. Yeah, I'd like to see it come down to 4590 target. NASDAQ's just dinking around. Above 50, this can go back up to 60. Can't get above 50 for whatever reason. SPX needs to dip below 95. And this is some back up to 2,400 buyers. Let me look at a small time frame. We're not even close to a long yet. 75 is my long in the NASDAQ. I mean, this may go here. 75. I can't be long until we get above 75 in the NASDAQ. And NASDAQ is close to throwing up. Below 818, this is going to throw up. I mean, look at this SPX. If this breaks below 95, there's a huge freaking gap fill. SPX puts are now 430. Here comes SPX. Got to get below this 94.50, and this could be a complete massacre. SPX puts now 487. Come on, break below 94.50 and just kill yourself. Come back and get gap fill. This could be a big trade if this thing breaks 94.50. Trade him as you see fit, fellas. Back to 440. We bounced off that support. NQ on the cusp of breaking down. SPX holding some support at 94.55. Price action got, they are 645 bid. Anybody take them other than Sophie and myself? Nobody. Okay, Sharon. The women all took the trade. 680, now up 75%. Okay, Randy, good. Deepak, noticeably absent. Chris, nice job. You're up 75% or so, guys. Come on. I want to see these things come back to 45, 60. We almost tagged 90. We got 90 and 40 cents. Sorry, Sophie. Come on, SPX. Puke it up. Let's go get a freaking double. Guys, NASDAQ getting killed below 18. Now they got longs trapped. Then they'll trap shorts. 32 cents for 40 cents from being in the money. We're in the money, guys. SPX in the money. ITM by 70 cents. $87. Come on, give me a bag. 730 bid. Give me a bag. I said it at the onset. Who's going to buy puts for gap fill? NASDAQ's going through every single area. We're oversold now. Got the signal up here, but I didn't trust it. NASDAQ looks like it wants 740, which was yesterday's high. It's coming to 44, fellas. NASDAQ. We're 1,200 negative delta now. We're coming down to 44. Come on, 88%. Give us one more down move. Give us 100% trade. It's freaking close, fellas. NASDAQ volume 8% below 1 month average. I killed another half on my SPX puts. Just have runners left on SPX, guys. There it is on a 3-minute, Ray, up 555. I'll change this to a 1 minute. Oh man, that 1 minute was a monster. Look at this monster. Now our long has moved down. Momentum to the downside is ended. If you guys want to kill SPX, you can kill it. Guys, is there anybody not making money today? Okay, bots long. Close that trade. NASDAQ's got to get above 48. Hourly's never went short. Okay, Albert. Hourly's never went short. 2, 3, 5, 10s went short. But the 60-minute never shorted. Excuse me. Now has 3 on. Closed on the pullback. This will be the last trade for me today. Anybody short? Okay, so nobody's short. Everybody's green. All right, guys. Yeah, it's coming down. It's coming to 82. All right. The aggressive bot up 310. It's coming to 82. Call it 84. Thank you, Nolan. Almost to target. Target hit. And a little bit more conservative bot.